Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, and here's another video for you guys. A tour of our room. It's staycation here in the UK. Enjoy! Now I'm gonna show you the bedroom that we stayed in. We stayed here for a short period of time because it was just a short vacation. Yeah, it's a staycation by the way, because we were actually on holiday in the UK, which is I live in the UK too. Now we're gonna show you all the freebies they give you: cookies, mugs, and tea. I think you could take all of them, and the coffee machine. Maybe you could take the coffee machine too. It's free. And the free capsules for coffee addicts. If you are coffee addicts but don't drink coffee, but the person that I'm with is addicted to it, you could have like 5 to 10 cups a day. Because that's how addicted he is. Now we're gonna check if this bedroom gives you a view, and I don't know what view they actually have. It gives you the view of the bedroom and car park. Nice view. At least it's got a little bit of distance. Your eyes still could wander in these greens and red buildings and blocks and another building in the distance. I don't know what it is, but it's a view. At least you got view. Do not complain. And now we're gonna put the lights. That light is actually quite relaxing if you have yellow lights. And this bedrooms makes it cool, calming, and good atmosphere and relaxing. What I'm talking about. And we got TV, free drinks, water, and a mini bar, and now plus sets. Now let's move on to the toilet, which you actually, it's very important because you need to be comfortable sometimes. And we got this mirror with lights. I forgot about that. It's quite good that if you have lights like that. Now wait through for taking a video. If you want to take a video, good lights. Now this is the bedroom. Now we're gonna show you the beautiful sink with the soap, free soap they give you, soap, shampoo, and conditioner. They don't have a conditioner there, and lotion actually. That's it for our video. Bye. Thank you.